Hello and welcome to video training number 3 for Planar's ContentSmart software. Today we will be reviewing the weekly schedule mode that is part of our digital signage software program called ContentSmart. To refresh your memory, the looping mode is the feature that you would be using if you're going to be designing playlists that will be playing the same loop on a daily schedule. The weekly scheduling mode can be changed here in the second icon with a drop-down menu. Just go ahead and click the weekly scheduling mode, and that'll bring up an entire calendar starting with Sunday all the way through Saturday. This feature is really designed if you have multiple playlists that you want to play within a given week, and that can be even managed down to the hour of different playlist schedules. On the left-hand side here, we've got some pre-designed templates for you. And as an example, on this food court template, we've designed it such that the store is open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. till 9 p.m. and on Sundays and Saturdays 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So to use a template like this, you're going to go ahead and left-click and drag it onto the calendar, and you can see it automatically populates for you the playlist schedule by day and by week. So for example, on Sunday, it starts at 10 a.m. because the store opens at 10 a.m. and it stops at 5 p.m. This is just a template. If you wanted to change any of these templates, for example, double-click on the closed Sunday section, the black sections. You can move that till 8 a.m. Go ahead and click on the colored icon, which represents what the actual playlist start times will be, and you can change that from 10 to 8 a.m. So there you can see it. Even though we've designed some templates here for you on the playlist scheduling, you can actually modify those based on your store hours. So as an example, to build a playlist, we'll go ahead and keep Sunday here. Double-click on Sunday. The same cadence that you learned in video training number 2. Click down the arrow and it gives you your 13 standard templates as well as your 7 smart widget templates. And for this example, we're going to go ahead and choose this particular smart widget template. Same idea here. You'll see the zones highlighted in yellow for each section. For this particular playlist, we're going to start adding the widgets or icons or images. And for this example, we're going to go ahead and go to add a bagel image. Go back down here to the next zone that's highlighted in yellow. We're going to add a beer image. Over here, as you can see, you have the option of uploading a video, an image, audio, or a smart widget. I'm going to go ahead and add a video. And at the bottom here, I'm going to go ahead and do a nice ticker. And just to refresh your memory, we've pre-programmed those so you can go back into your storage folder. And we're going to call this Specials. So as you can see, we've designed the weekly playlist schedule for Sunday starting at 8 a.m., closing at 5 p.m. The next steps would be to click OK. Proceed to export. And as you can see, we changed this particular media player's name to the Lobby Restaurant. If you remember from video training number 2, we had men's department doing the shoe display. And for this particular demonstration, we changed the media player's name to Lobby Restaurant. Again, the idea of changing the name of the media players to help you identify which media player you want to push content to. Once you've identified the media player that you want, you highlight it, hit export. You'll see that the export has been completed, which means the content has been pushed to the digital signage media player and the content will play respectively. And I'd like to show you what that looks like now. Okay, as you can see on the upper left-hand corner from our digital signage display, we've got our bagel ad that we loaded. Right below that is our beer ad. To the right of that is our video that we uploaded, which is the menu that changes. And then as you remember, at the very bottom, we added that ticker that said Today's Specials. So this is a great example of how you can take a specific playlist, program it using the weekly schedule for a specific day and a specific time. Thank you very much for learning about Planar's ContentSmart Digital Signage Media Player and our ContentSmart software. Good luck in designing and deploying your digital signage content. Thank you.